All right, guys, Lifting Titan with We Are Realms Gaming, and we are back with a second episode on my recipe conversion program in C++. Again, guys, here's my GitHub if you want to follow me, github.com/MD Let's go ahead and hop into the code. So basically, this program is to take a somewhat formatted text file for a recipe, asking the user if they want to convert it, so make it smaller or bigger, and then going ahead and kind of doing some formatting, adding grams here or whatnot, and then basically outputting it to a separate text file. So this is going to be the formatted text file. Here is the finished code. I spent about 3 days on this, guys, just very, methodically, little code snippet by little code snippet by little code snippet. So basically from last time, guys, I already went over all of this. Let's go ahead and go down to the output. So take formatted data and output to a .text file. And I actually added user input, so you guys don't have to have it hard coded. It could be any text file in the directory. And it basically does all of the checks. And then if you did not convert the recipe, it prints everything out here. One of the issues I had was actually right here. I couldn't figure out how to, because I already had the recipe name and chef name stored in those variables. I could not figure out how to skip those over to then go ahead and reread the ingredients and format them to the output file. Same thing with the directions. So this is if it is a just normal non-conversion, and then else if the Boolean was set to true when you did do the conversion. It went in here, and I went ahead and added a variable in here called, it was a double ingredient conversion amount equals conversion amount times the ingredient amount. And then it goes ahead and runs through all of that. Also, guys, just a neat little formatting thing I did here. There is a very basic loop down here that basically initializes I as 1 for the first direction, and then pretty much boop, 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 formats it. So let's go ahead and run this, guys. Let's see how it runs. Enter file name. That is going to be, in this case, basicbread.text. Would you like to convert the recipe? Let's go ahead and just do yes, just so you guys can kind of see. Let's say that we want 1.5, the original amount. It then shows you the formatting that I did. So basic bread has the chef name, has the ingredients and the directions. Would you like to output the data to a text file? Yes. Then basically type in the basic bread format.text, and it outputted that to the text file. So it basically took this basic recipe. We then converted it to a bigger amount, did some formatting so it's nice and pretty. So now if we go ahead and go in the File Explorer on the computer, guys, and open this, you will have a perfectly formatted and or converted recipe. So like I said, this was kind of just practice for my midterm for class, kind of going over everything I've learned. So if you guys want to see the full code, it is on GitHub. If you guys like the content, like and subscribe. I know this was kind of a smaller, shorter video, but kind of really proud of this and just wanted to share it. Thanks.